Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create 3D spatial wallpapers on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Let's go! Okay guys, so it's very easy. First you need an image. In my case it's this one. I will be using this one. Wait, let me show you little bit more. Okay, then what you do, you click on the screen and use AI, which is these two stars here. You click it, then you circle the thing you want to use. In my case it's this car. Okay, here you press on this rubber, you erase it, then you press generate. Then you click save copy, and then as you can see here we don't have the car, but we still have this image. Then you need a car, so you click on it, you click and hold on it, as you can see here, till you have this thing. Then you press these three little dots, save as image. As you can see, we have 3 images. Then we go to Good Lock app, which you need to download. It's the app that it's Samsung app, so don't worry. Then we look for Wonderland, we click on it, create your own moving wallpaper. You press this plus, you press gallery, then you select this without the car. Okay, then you press again here, image, here gallery, then you select the car, you select the size you want your car to be, let it be like this. Okay, and now you go to image settings, you need to apply individual motion effect, then you can play with it however you want, how you want your car to move. For example, let's give it like this, and then you go here. Also you can go to the background, you can turn it also, you can turn it on, but I prefer to turn it on, yes. And then you have preview here. As you can see, it moves. And as you can see, my background also moves. Okay. Okay guys, and then you click save. Save. As you can see, set as wallpaper, lock and home screen. Here, as you can see, it works. Let's turn on lock screen. You can play that your car is driving to you, as you can see. Okay guys, that's how you create 3D spatial wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus using One UI 8, which is an AI. Okay guys, thank you for watching, have a good day and goodbye.